friends, Sangeeta here. In this video I am going to review the Everyuth Naturals Tulsi and Turmeric Face Wash. So here is the packaging. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. And now let's get started with the review. Here is the packaging. This is the Everyuth Naturals Anti-Acne, Anti-Marks Tulsi Turmeric Face Wash. Along with this, I got on offer the papaya and neem scrub, and not only that, I got a 15 rupees discount on this packaging. So the actual pricing of this face wash is 90 rupees, but I got it only for 75 rupees. So this is up close, the face wash, and I really like this packaging. This is very handy and it can easily be carried in your purse and it won't leak out because the lock is very strong. And as you can see, the face wash is light green in color, along with there's some bubbles in it. So this is 100 grams of product in there, and the pricing, as I already told you, the pricing is 90 rupees, and it has a very long, almost 2 years of shelf life, which is a really good thing. The texture of this face wash is a bit runny, and this face wash suits all skin types. Plus this is 100% soap-free face wash. And it is, as it is said, the directions of use: you have to squeeze a small quantity onto your palm, work up, lather and gently massage on your face, rinse with water and pat dry. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a day. So I try to use it almost 2 to 3 times a day, but generally I use it once in the morning and once at night. Sometimes whenever I find out time, I try to use it thrice also. So if you are someone who goes out every day, and in this pollution our skin actually gets a lot dirty, and you need a very mild face wash because we don't want to put something which is harsh on our skin. So as a very mild face wash, this works pretty well, and its fragrance is a bit very light, whereas this smells like a bit minty, and you have a very cool freshening feel on your face when you apply it. So overall, I really like this face wash, and I will also make a separate review on the scrub which I got free with this. As you can see, it lathers very well. I love the fragrance. So I really love the fragrance. It has a tulsi and a mint mixed fragrance, and it has very much cleaned my face very well, and I feel a bit cool and freshness on my skin. And you need a very pea-sized amount at a time. So as you need a very little amount at a time, this face wash will go on for a long time. And if you have used it or you are thinking of using it, let me know in the comments below. I really like it because this is very mild and really good to use on a daily basis. And also make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel.